we need to find the average rate of change of this function between 1 and 3. So what we're going to need are the y values. Remember, average rate of change is the same as slope between 2 points. We've got the inputs. What we need are the outputs because we're looking for change in output, change in y over change in x. So really what we need are the y values that go with these x's. So let's do that first. So f of 1 is 2 times 1 squared minus 3 times 1. Of course, you could do this in a calculator, but for right now we'll do it by hand, which is 2 minus 3, or negative 1. And f of 3 is 2 times 3 squared minus 3 times 3. And so 3 squared is 9, times 2 is 18, minus 9 is 9. So there's our two y values. So now we're just going to set up our slope, our change in y over change in x. So our change in y, 9 minus negative 1, careful on the negative sign there, over our change in x values, 3 minus 1. Doesn't matter which point you do first, but notice that they're matched up. 3 was the input for 9, so 3 and 9 are above and below each other. 1 was the input for negative 1, above and below each other. And it's always change in output over change in input. 9 minus a negative 1 becomes 10. 3 minus 1 is 2, for an average rate of change of 5.